Custom Designs, where welcome to SE Custom Designs, where if you're following my series and if you're seeing this here, you may be following my little mini series on creating this wedding gift for my sister, who I shall be ceremonially marrying in Pittsburgh coming up this weekend. So we'll be flying out of New York to Pittsburgh for that. But I wanted to share a few tips with you, and I'll try to keep this to the 5 to 10 minute timestamp, so we're listening to our subscribers. Let's get right to the point. All right, so I have a situation in my design where I already made the dovetails, right? So look up that series, that video. Now I want to make a little bit of a block to fill this in. However, there is, as you know, an angle with dovetails. I don't want that angle here. I want it to be straight across. So in order to do that, you can grab this type of square and that square, this and that. I want to introduce you, if you've not heard of it, the WOODPECKERS MINISQUARE. I'm not sponsored by Woodpecker, nor by this company here. Okay, so this square, there you go. It does the job for those real small, and it's at $27.49. I just looked that up. That is from the Woodpecker site. I went on eBay and it was more expensive. It was $4 more expensive. So in order for me to get this directly across, all I have to do, let's do it from this angle, is set the square just like that. Okay? Set it there. Sorry for moving fast, folks. And then I got my line. I draw my line. All right, drop the square. That little square was very easy to use. All right, so then I had this extra stock, and I had to cut it at an angle because, well, this wasn't perfect, because I want to talk about the next tool. And I'm honest about how things go in the wood shop. All right, so here is this shop. This is a Pool Japanese fine tooth. I mean, once you make the cut with this, it's like you can only get a hair between that line. So this is a $40 unit. I think I picked it up on Rockler site, not sponsored by them either. Okay, so and that is how I made this cut here. Okay, so pull saw implies that you're going to pull it to make the cut. All right, and so there you go. I did that, but not perfectly 90 degrees. So what I did was I took the measurement of this, which is easy to do with a unit that you can bend this way and that. I actually eyeballed it, is how I did it. And then I went down to the chop box, okay, and very carefully chopped them. I put this guy here at a little bit of an angle, okay? And now I can take this, and set him up against like this, and it's good. Anything that's a little bit higher, I can sand that down. Now if I turn it around, you're going to see, well, maybe not. Let's turn it this way. Okay, you can see that there's a gap there, right? So gap, be gone. All right, so there's always a way to fix a thing, and it's really those tools that you have lying around that you're using. And if you've never thought about getting this little guy here, I highly recommend it. Let me know what you think, okay? And he's just great, absolutely fantastic for marking out those lines as well for other types of things. So let's drop him back there. Okay, again, he's the Woodpeckers MINISQUARE, and this is the Japanese pole saw. So that's my mini tip. My unit is coming together, man. Yesterday, what I did, I'm not sure if I covered this or not. If I did, well, apologies. This here is the lid. The lid is going to slide into the unit, okay? And what I did was I glued on a decorative piece of Paduak. This is Paduak and this is purple wood and that's oak. Right here on the edge, okay? And he's actually in the back. Okay, so he's at the back of the unit. And then I wanted to make a little bit of a cover for the front of the unit that would match. And so I just glued this guy up here together, and we're going to stick them there. So yeah, I'm just trying to make this consistent and have a lot of fun with it. And so thanks for tuning in. What are we at? We are at 5 minutes. All right, so this is the project where we're making a wedding gift for my sister here. And we are just dealing with those little tasks at this end part of the game in the design, where I want to fill in this piece here. This is the top, okay? And so I needed to fill in this piece here because I just thought it would be a cool design. All right, thanks for watching. Would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. This is SC Custom Designs. Let's see, it's SC Custom Designs. And we do this on the side. I'm a QA software guy in the daytime, and we do this nights and weekends. One day I'll do it when I retire, and then I won't have to start and stop, start and stop, start and stop. You know how that is. And I find that's why I can make mistakes, is because I'm telling you this. I forget what tools I have sometimes because, you know, I'm a little bit too much in a hurry. And I know through the years I pick these things up. And so there's another little tip for you. Just take your time, think about what you got in shop, and utilize it. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll do our usual goodbyes in various languages. Shalom uvracha, masalami totzins, saijin. Bye-bye.